One of the great things happening in 2026 is easy cleaning for your pool. This is Beatbot Sora 70, launch of the new great pool cleaning machine that cleans the floors, the walls, the water line, the ledges with as little as 8 inches of water, and the surface. Yes, the surface. Now the surface cleaning is very unique with this great technology in this new machine. It actually propels the debris on the surface to the machine and brings it into the machine easily and quickly, and it self-parks on the surface. This is a great machine. Let me tell you all about it. Now watch this video to the end because I'm going to tell you my top 3 reasons that this is the best machine of the year. I really, really like it. I think you'll like it too. It was provided for me, from my honest opinion, and let's dig in to see why it's so great. The fabulous Beatbot Sora 70, a total pool cleaning machine from the depth to the surface. It cleans the water surface, the floor, the wall, the water line, and any platforms and steps as well. It has advanced jet pulse water surface cleaning. It's a dual jet water system that converges outward extending flows, actively guiding any floating debris into the suction center, dramatically improving the surface cleaning efficiency. What's unique about this is most pool robots claim to clean the water surface. They're just pushing it around, and as a result, the debris is often pushed away instead of captured and forced into the inlet on the pool robot basket. This machine has superior cleaning with 6,800 GPH suction power. That hydro balance structure is a center-mounted, self-developing, high-efficiency pump which generates this real strong power that enables it to climb even curved surfaces like you see here. It is good for all pool types: vinyl, tile, concrete, and fiberglass. It also works in all pool shapes and sizes with the ability to clean unique areas including platforms and steps. It will work on in-ground and above-ground pools up to 3,230 feet. See how it navigates through this section of leaf debris? It completely picks up what it goes over in its path, and it will come back and pick up the remaining leaves in this pile that have collected in the corner of my pool. Now watch how it climbs here, the walls, also interrupting the leaf pattern debris in the bottom of the pool, and on the walls it's cleaning the water line as well. It offers a 6-liter debris capacity fine filtration basket, and this beast of a machine has such great suction. You will see it climbing surfaces like this and holding on for extra scrubbing on the water line. It has smart surface parking for easy pickup, and you'll see here as I'm putting it in, to begin the clean time, it begins right away, activating the advanced jet pulse water surface cleaning capacity. It is excellent on the steps, as you will see here. It's going to clean my steps very, very well. It has a unique feature that it will work in shallow water down to 8 inches that most cleaners can't access. Now, this reduces manual spot cleaning and helps prevent algae in hard-to-reach areas. This amazing machine was provided for me to give my honest opinion, and I love what I'm seeing with this machine. I look forward to it for many years to come. The Beatbot app is tailored for effortless cleaning with even greater controls of spot cleaning features and automatic upgrades. The Beatbot Sora 70 has really cleaned my pool beautifully. Look how crystal clean it is. The water's perfect. The steps are perfectly clean over here. It is a beast of a machine. It's done a great, great job. This latest technology has really propelled it to another level. I look forward to using it all year, and just in time for the summer. It's going to provide an excellent clean for my pool. I highly recommend it. The walls, the surface, the ledges, the water line, all crystal clean. I hope you like this. Please follow us for more videos of this great machine. We highly recommend it. As promised, my top 3 reasons for this great machine for this year is 1, the quick setup. So easy, you're in the pool within just a few minutes, and the great app helps you very easily get it going quickly. 2, the 3-year warranty. Yes, I said that right. 3-year warranty for this great machine makes it a great investment that you know that you will be protected by the great company from Beatbot. And third, my third reason is the surface cleaning that propels the debris into the machine. You can't beat that. That's new on the market. Upgrade your pool cleaning. Get your weekends back for yourself because your Beatbot Sora 70 will be cleaning your pool for you. I highly recommend this great machine. You won't be disappointed in your investment.